Okay guys, Chris Does What. Just got this battery charger. As if you watch my channel, we previously got this crappy boat. Well, the battery still works in the boat and I want to maintain it so it does continue to work. So this Black & Decker waterproof 2 amp charger I picked up on Amazon is what I'm going to use to keep the battery alive. So y'all stay tuned and we'll go over all the cool stuff that comes with this charger and how I'm going to use it. Okay guys, so when you open the battery charger box up, it comes with the battery charger, it comes with a accessory to plug into your cigarette lighter. This won't work on most cars because the cigarette lighter turns off with the ignition. It comes with alligator cables, so for directly clamping onto the battery, and pretty springy, so I think they'll hang on. And then it comes with a more permanent solution, so you can connect it to the battery and just plug in when you're ready to charge. The cool thing is you can unplug it from each type of charging, so you can have this permanently mounted to, say, your boat, and then if your son likes to run the battery down in his car with his radio, you can use these alligator cables to keep his battery charged in his car or another car you may have. If your cigarette lighter stays on with the ignition off, you can use this. So you just simply plug in the cigarette lighter, plug into the charger, and charge away. There's no opening the hood or anything. Easy way to do it. So I'm gonna plug this in and see how it looks. So with this plugged in, you'll see this light illuminate showing it has power. Now we'll undo this wire, this cable, and we're going to use the alligator clips for now. I'm going to install it permanently to this boat, but even though the instructions say you must take the battery out of the boat before charging it. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't blow up. So let's expose our battery. Now if you plug it in reverse, there's a protection on there to keep it from, I guess, blowing stuff up. This battery looks brand new on this boat. Good deal. So that shows it's charging. If it was a fault, it would be the exclamation mark. When it's fully charged, it shows a green here. If you're going to use this, you're probably going to have to pull it apart to fit both battery posts, unless you have a very narrow 12-volt battery. So if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Down there somewhere, looks like this. And if you want this charger, I just picked it up on Amazon. Look for a 2 amp Black & Decker waterproof charger. It's going to help maintain my marine battery, and it could do the same for you. Y'all take care.